YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Ron, most wanted, aka SRT Ron, and I'm back at you with another video. In today's video, we are going to be getting a wash and talking about 5 things that I absolutely hate about my Dodge Charger. But before we get to that, I'm gonna need y'all to smash that like button, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, you feel me? Cause y'all ain't been doing it. I guess y'all ain't messing with the big scat, man. I don't know. I guess y'all don't like the scat packs, man. Gonna go get this wash and then we're gonna talk about the 5 things that I hate about this scat. It was kind of hard coming up with this list because I don't really hate nothing about it, but y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we at the wash right now, so I'm getting ready to go ahead and toss it in valet mode. It's my first time using it, so I'm gonna set a pin real quick. I'm gonna just do, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5. And boom, now we in valet mode, feel me? Because I know sometimes they like to play around a little bit. They had skirt off one time in the RT, and I'm like, yo, what the heck? So I had to go ahead and toss it in valet real quick. I'm not cutting that out. Sorry.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, so Jerron got himself into the urgent care. We at the urgent care right now. I don't know if y'all can see, but he was trying to open this air freshener thing for the car and something flew in his eye, and this, oh sorry, it was a fly on it. But yeah, he was trying to open up this air fryer. I said air fryer. He was trying to open up this car freshener and something flew in his eye. It could have been metal. It could have been like a piece of the metal when he was opening it. So right now, he is not feeling too good. How you feel right now?
Soggy, you can't make this up, bro.
Where is it exactly? Where do you feel it in your eye?
I don't know. I feel like it's behind my eyelid. Like I want to move it, but I feel like it's scratching my eye.
The devil be working. You know that, right? He see you trying to be great and he trying to stop you every way he can. You can't let him win. The camera don't want to see you win.
I feel like that's what it is, bro. Like whoever praying on my downfall, like stop, bro.
3 hours later.
So yeah, y'all, as you can see, my eye don't look too bad right now. Just my eyelids a little bit swollen. But I got niece driving right now. So the doctor, he basically like he checked my eye with a black light and he gave it a flush. I'm not gonna lie, when he did that, it kind of felt, I mean, that felt like drowning with my eyes open, but I could still breathe. And it kind of felt like better after he did that. But then again, I can't really tell because my eye is numb right now. Because he put some like numbing stuff in my eye. And I feel like that's why I couldn't have it like open right now, because I couldn't really have my eyes open before he did that.
That wasn't me. That was the little hump thing.
But yeah, I couldn't really have my eyes open before he like did that. Like I had to keep it closed because it just felt like the thing was like literally like under my eyelid. So this is what I opened, the Coronado Cherry. If you know me, you know I love this. You feel me? And like these little like things is on it, like little hairs. So I think when I pulled it, I don't know if like a piece just flew in my eye or what. So we will be suing. And anyway, yes. You know, word. The only reason I ain't suing is because I need y'all, but I should have sued. Way before that, I had mad half drunken water bottles in my car, like because people just leave bottles, and I threw them all out when I went to the car wash. And then soon as we throw them out and we leave the car wash, that's when I need water. So we had to go in the store, I couldn't really see. She telling me which way to turn because I'm like, like
go. Why are you stopping in the middle?
Y'all see she got road rage.
And then you got this one turning right here too, and he see me trying to turn.
This POV when it's like riding with her in the car. Alright, YouTube, so I'm feeling a little bit better. It's later on in the day. My eye numbness wore off. But as you can see, the Scatty is here and it is looking clean. You feel me? The wheels already got a little bit dirty. A lot of bit dirty, as y'all can see. And that's actually gonna lead me into my first thing that I hate about this car. The number one thing I hate about this car, well, not number one, none of these things are really in order because I don't really hate too many things about the car. But one of the main things I do hate about the car is the brake dust and how dirty the wheels always get. See, y'all already know this is a rear-wheel drive car. Therefore, rear tires do spin pretty often, you feel me? Especially like from a dig. So, that being said, I need some tissue because my nose is running a little bit. You feel me? So, we're just gonna get some tissue real quick, and I'm out of tissue. Oh, no, I'm not. I got this. Oh, okay, cool. So, yeah. The wheels are always dirty. I already got a wash today, and as you can see, the trees and the birds already violated. I got bird poop, but yeah, the wheels stay dirty. So that's the first thing I hate about the car. And like I said, this list was pretty hard for me because I don't really hate anything about the car in general. You feel me? Like I love everything about this car, but the wheels. The second thing I hate about this car, as you already know, is the miles per gallon in the city. You feel me? When I'm on the highway, it does amazing. Like from North Carolina to here, I really only got to fill up like 1.5 times, you could say, if you want to round it up. But when it comes to being in the city, the miles per gallon is terrible. Last weekend, I put $50 in my tank Friday afternoon, and then I had to put 60 in my tank by Sunday morning. So the miles per gallon is terrible in the city. You can actually go ahead right now and check out what it say, how much I'm getting. Let me get y'all a little for me. Just hear that idle. But let me cut the car off too, because like I said, miles per gallon is crazy. But let me see first. It smells delicious in here. Oh my goodness. 10.7 miles per gallon, y'all. That's actually crazy. Damn. That's bad. 10.6? Was it 10.6 the whole time, or I'm bugging? I don't know. My eye's still a little bit blurry, but we're going to cut that off because we need that to stop. And yeah. Oh, I have my lights on. Now, we're going to keep it on for the video and then cut it off in a minute. But the second thing I hate is miles per gallon. So if you get on this car, which you're gonna do because this car is fun to drive, you're gonna get crappy gas mileage. So one, I hate that the wheels get dirty, and two, I hate the gas mileage. The third thing that I hate about this car, and it's a love-hate thing, it's the attention. So this car is a Scat Pack. Of course, it gets a lot of attention everywhere I go, you feel me? And not all attention is good attention. I like when I get attention from like little kids, and they be like, yo, I like your car, you feel me? Or like people that want the gram or just want to talk about it. That's cool. But I don't like the attention that this car gets from criminals. Y'all already know I don't even got to get into how much these cars get stolen. So sometimes when I go at certain places, I don't be feeling safe. But of course, y'all don't know because I didn't even say all that I did to the car on YouTube. But just know, you feel me, the car is basically as anti-theft as it can get. That's why I ain't really spend no money on mods, because I did all I had to do to make sure that this car is anti-theft. So you feel me? And not only that, you already know how we riding. So I don't gotta talk too much about that. But that's one of the things that I hate about this car, bro. Just like feeling like sometimes I can't go to a gas station late at night, which I shouldn't do in general, or feeling unsafe in certain places and getting looks from, the police too. That's like the main thing with the attention. I already been pulled over because of my temp tags and my plates. My temp tags and my tents The reason I still got temp tags is FedEx fault, because FedEx lost the plates that the dealer ordered for me. But we're getting that fixed, and my temp tags are legit. They just pulled me over because, you know, scat with temps and temp tags, they just automatically assume it's trouble. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the police, they love to pull these things over. So yeah, that's the third thing I hate about this car. The fourth thing I hate about this car, and like I said, this list is kind of hard to do because there's nothing I really hate, but maintenance costs. And it's pretty early for me to even say that because I haven't had to do any maintenance as of yet, other than the oil change, which was, I spent like $130, but that wasn't really bad because I used to spend $100 for the G to get its oil changed, only because I didn't have the space to change the oil myself. That may change real soon, but I was just going to like the dealer and having them change it. Dang, bro, I just got a wash today. That's crazy. But yeah, brakes are gonna be a pain in the butt. Brakes and calipers. But when you have a car like this, what can you really complain about? Because you're paying for what it comes with. You feel me? Like, I'm not gonna have a car that's $30, $40, $50, $60, $70,000 and not expect to pay that much for things like brakes and rotors. So I'm not complaining about that at all. That was just something I had to add to the list in case there's anyone who's wondering, like, looking at this video because they want a Scat or a Charger in general. And, you know, that's just, I guess, something I hate. And just be prepared for, like, expensive maintenance. Everything is expensive with these cars, bro. But y'all already know that, so I don't even have to really say too much. The fifth and final thing that I hate about this car, I ain't even come up with yet because I'm still trying to figure out what it is. Really don't know. Hey, auntie. How you doing? All right. I really don't know. I'm trying to think of the fifth thing right now as I film this video. What could I say I hate? Because it dang sure ain't got nothing to do with the looks. Okay, I hate how some cold starts are louder than others. Like, that's a dumb reason. Oh no, I know. The fifth thing I hate is the adaptive learning transmission. The transmission adapts to how you drive, so sometimes it'll kind of like limit the throttle power and stuff like that. I did a throttle relearn that didn't help, but yeah, the transmission, it adapts to how you drive. So when I let my girlfriend drive the car and then I got back in the car, it felt mad sluggish and it wasn't shifting like it was supposed to. But after me driving the car around for the next like 2 or 3 days, it got back used to me and it started responding like it was supposed to. So yeah, that's just a little bit annoying. And I see not too many people gonna be driving this thing except for YouTube videos. But I know why it happened too. My girlfriend was a little bit jerky when I let her drive it. But other than that, I love this car, man. If y'all want to see a part 2, because I only had the car about 2 months, if y'all want to see a part 2 of things that I hate about this car, then just comment down below and let me know, and I'll do my best to find out like more things that I hate about the car. But up next, I'm gonna do a video basically on the 5 things that I love about the car. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Smash that like button. I know this video was a little bit all over the place, but that's because today did not go how I planned on it going. But you know what? We not quitting just because of that. You feel me? Yeah. And let me know what y'all think, man. You feel me? As y'all can see, I got Most Wanted right there on the wicker bill now. I kind of messed it up a little bit. I actually messed it up before I even put it on. I wasn't gonna put it on, but then I realized I could put it on the wicker bill. You feel me? We got the Instagram right here on the side. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and follow that. If I can get it to focus. Can you focus? Can you focus? Yeah, y'all. But I got the Instagram right there on the side. Feel me? I'm thinking about wrapping the Hemi part blue, or maybe a 392 blue on one side and red on the other side. You feel me? Doing something with the calipers because I got an idea, but I can't really like expose it yet. You feel me? We got the Most Wanted on the front, which I already peeped. And we got the YouTube on the side, man. I got it a little small and subtle because you already know there's times where things get busy and active, you feel me? And we can't have it too loud. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And let me know what y'all think about the big scat.